Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix Dell laptop not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step is to perform a power drain. Disconnect power, unplug the AC adapter, and if possible, remove the battery. Discharge residual power. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain residual power. Reconnect and power on. Reinsert the battery. Plug in the AC adapter and attempt to power on the laptop. Step 2. Check the AC adapter and battery. Inspect for damage. Ensure the AC adapter and charging cable are free from frays or exposed wires. Verify functionality. Test the adapter with another compatible Dell laptop or use a non-working adapter with your laptop. Step 3. Remove external peripherals. Disconnect all external devices to rule out conflicts. Step 4. Reset the real-time clock. For advanced troubleshooting, resetting the RTC can resolve power issues. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.